Got the bit of string rigged up between the back of two chairs. So let's see how we go. Okay. Back the other way. Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay, I better stick that back together. Try that again. No, they're jamming that way round. I can see what the problem is. I've got that piece where my thumb is in the wrong hole. It should be in the next hole up. It's actually catching on the arm as it's going round. Right, looking at it in that picture, I've now corrected it. So off we go again. That's better. There's no clicking as it's going along. Oh, now something else is jammed. Well, if I just hold it, there's no clicking. Put that the other way. So why is it having a problem up on the rope? Try again. Yeah, I think it's just the weight. Push everything home again. Yeah, they're getting caught. Are we in the right hole? Yeah, we're in C and C. Something's sticking now. I bet we lost some gears, some teeth. Oh, that'll be annoying. We've got another 6 different models to make yet. Oh, now that's sticking out too far. Pull that out. The shaft was sticking out and it was catching. Well, I suppose we can say it's an honest test. That just missed entirely. Oh, come on. Oh, this is disappointing. This is the one that I really wanted to see working. It went all right backwards. That's just the way the weight is distributed. Oh, dear me. Well, after that last crash, it stopped working. LED's not coming on. I think what's happened is where it's hit the ground, it's actually flattened the springs that hold the batteries in place or make contact. If I squeeze this down, the light comes on. I'll just bend these tabs out a bit. That'll increase the springiness. Yeah, there we are. Light's back on. Okay. Working again. I had to take all the plastic off to get to it, so let's just give it a try without all the plastic on it. We're still just catching. Yeah. Oh, it's come loose again. Yeah. Oh, that's a shame. It sort of works. If I really, really, really just wanted it to work like this, I'd glue them in place. Then they can't come loose. But we're not going to do that this time, because I want to take it apart and do the other, however many it was. There's 6 more to go in this series, 8 in total. That is a shame. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.